You asked how to buy shares of Howard Hughes Holdings Inc., a diversified holding company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HHH. This video is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker HHH to find Howard Hughes Holdings Inc. Confirm you select the correct NASDAQ listing before opening the stock page. On the stock page, review the company description and the price chart to check basic information about the business. Make sure the page shows HHH and NASDAQ so you have the right asset. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be set as a pending instruction until the next market open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the example eToro link in the video description if you want to explore the platform further.